I go for a walk every day and I see solar panels on everybody's homes, and I wish that I could have had solar panels, and today I do. I've been renting for 3 years. It's a lovely 4-bedroom home and I'm really happy here. I'm also a hairdresser that works from home, and I'm running the washing machine every day and the hair dryers, straightening irons, you name it. I need electricity. As a renter, I didn't think it was possible to have solar on unless, the renter actually said to the property manager, let's put solar on a house. I thought if you've got a really good landlord and they wanted to look after you, then they would put solar on to help, not just for the renter, but for themselves as well, for revalue when they go to sell the home. Reduced bills will give me peace of mind to be able to run my hairdryer all day, every day.
The best thing about helping customers go solar is you're not just helping the environment, but you're helping Aussie families save money on their power bills.
I would say to other renters, ask your property manager if they could ask the landlord if it's possible to have solar on the roof. Put solar on your tenants' roofs, we need it.